In this question, you're asked to describe fully the transformation from A to B. It's clearly an enlargement, and because the shapes are not facing the same way, it means it's a negative enlargement. B is smaller than A, so it's a fraction of the size of A, so it's also a fractional enlargement. So we need to identify which vertices correspond to each other so that we can draw lines through them to find the centre of enlargement. When something is enlarged by a negative scale factor, the vertical lines tend to stay vertical, the horizontal lines tend to stay horizontal. So it's easy to identify the corresponding sides when they are vertical and horizontal. Now, to identify the other side, I need to decide which one is longer. I can see that this one's shorter than this one. If I couldn't, then I could just measure. This side is just under 40 millimeters, and this side is just over 30. This side is about 20 millimeters, and this side is only 15. So that means this side and this side are the longest sides. And the other sides are the green ones. So now I can draw lines through the corresponding vertices. So the vertex between the orange and the green is here. So those vertices correspond. The vertex between the blue and the green is here. So those vertices correspond. And then I can see that the centre of enlargement's at 3, 0, but it's good practice to draw the line through all vertices just to confirm that. And it will identify if you made a mistake with either of the others. So now we've identified the centre of enlargement, we need to find the scale factor. So the scale factor we know is negative. I'm just going to find the magnitude of the scale factor, or the size of the scale factor, by dividing a side on the new shape by the corresponding side on the original shape. So here, B is 3 units long and A is 6 units long, so that is a half. I know it's negative, so the scale factor equals negative a half. So the full description of this enlargement is an enlargement by scale factor negative a half from centre 3, 0.